Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make AI generated music. Now this is one of Google's newest products and it is basically a text to music AI generator. And it allows us to put in a prompt and it will then create some music based off our prompt. Now it's currently in an experimental version at the moment and you do have to sign up to get access to it. So in order to do that, head over to this website and from here you can click get started and then you just want to register your interest. So you will just have to fill out this form. So you'll have to say where you're from, your profession, why you want to use it and test it. And when you're happy with all that, you can go ahead and sign in and join with your Google account. So once you actually have access, it will look something like this. And here's where we can actually start generating the music. Now, if you head into the top right corner and click this, it actually tells us exactly how we can make a good prompt. So they say to be very descriptive. And they say electronic or classical instruments sound the best. You also want to mention the vibe, mood or emotion you want to create. And also certain queries that mention specific artists or include vocals will not be generated. So once it has generated the two results, you want to click on the trophy of whichever one you prefer to tell Google which one is better. And then from there you can also save the track if that's something you want to do. So in order to actually use it, you can either try out some of their prompts that they give you, such as this one. And you can just click on it to bring it in here, and then you can just click this arrow, and it will actually start generating it. So in that example, they sounded pretty similar, and that's just because we said Irish folk music with fiddle and bagpipes. If you added a bit more detail like some of these have, it will sound a lot more different and more complex. So for example, this one, funky piece with a strong danceable beat and a prominent bass line. A catchy melody from a keyboard adds a layer of richness and complexity to the song. So if we try out this one, I'm sure it's going to have a lot more depth to it and sound a lot better. So as you can hear, that's exactly what we asked for. And when it comes to this type of music, it's actually really good at creating songs. Of course, if you're trying out music that's a bit more niche, then it's going to struggle a bit with that. So once you've got your two results, you can just click on this trophy here, and that will actually tell Google that this one's better, and they will use that to help keep improving their AI. So I recommend you sign up for this and try it out yourself, because this is actually really impressive, and I'm sure if you get creative with it, you can have some really interesting results. So that's exactly how you can make AI generated music. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.